Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite techniques for preserving crisp whites and light colors in watercolor using masking fluid. I love working with this particular masking fluid because it's thin and easy to see on the paper, and it rinses clean with just soap and water. I have lots of videos showing exactly how I apply it, and you'll find those in my beginners playlist, plus I'll link them below. Masking fluid works by creating a thin removable barrier on your paper. I use it to block off sharp-edged areas that I want to keep pure white, or to save lighter colors that I've already painted. Once it's on and dry, you can layer washes right over it without disturbing the area underneath. See here, as I add this watery paint layer, the masking barrier is clearly visible, and it repels the fluid, keeping the protected area perfectly untouched. One of the things I love most is that I can also build layers over it, adding depth and richness to my painting while keeping those preserved shapes crisp and clean. You can even reapply masking fluid in between layers if you want to protect different areas at different stages. This means you can work boldly without tiptoeing around tiny shapes because you know those highlights are safe until you're ready to reveal them. In this way, I can come back to it anytime I want at my own pace. And you can see when you apply a darker color, the masking fluid shows up. Of course, the masking fluid in my case is preserving the white of the paper, and it will only show up when I put dark contrasting color behind or around it. Once it's dry, I can continue building my watercolor as needed. I could even mask on top of the dried paint to work in multiple layers. And when everything is complete, or when you're ready to reveal a section, it peels away very easily. I'm just using a rubber cement pickup, and this kind of saves your fingertips from being worn down. It's such a game changer for painting details like snow on branches, glints in an animal's eye, or intricate textures that would be hard to paint around. It gives you the freedom to work with confidence, knowing your lightest values will remain exactly where you want them. This little illustration of my barred owl is now available on my website under prints. Please hit that like, feel free to share, and definitely subscribe for more videos just like this.